The Rwanda Civil Society Platform, it is a coordination apex for the civil society organizations working in Rwanda.
This platform brings together 9 umbrella organizations which are composed of 1,448 organizations.
Rwanda Civil Society's mission is to be the people's voice and defend public interest, as well as analyzing the major challenges faced by Rwandan population. Currently, Rwanda Civil Society Platform has 9 umbrella organizations. IBUCA is an umbrella that works to meet the targets to do with the rights of people who survived genocide against the Tutsi. CSYB is an umbrella that works in the areas of agriculture development. Pro-Family Twese Hamwe, they are promoting gender, women empowerment and family promotion. RRP Plus is a network of NGOs that advocate for rights with people with HIV. Rwanda Environmental NGOs Forum, RENGOF, that work in interventions to do with environment and climate change. Rwanda NGOs Forum that operate in health. NODOL is an umbrella and network of people with disabilities. Rwanda Youth Organizations Forum that bring together a number of youth organizations. We also have CLADO. CLADO is a human rights umbrella. Those are the umbrella organizations that make up the platform. We believe bringing together our efforts to serve the Rwandan population. The aims for this year starts with Rwanda Civil Society Strategic Plan. Capacity development was operationalized. We have carried out a number of trainings and workshops.
Hari amahugurwa yagiye ategurwa na Rwanda Civil Society Platform. Byabaga bijyanye ahanini n'inshingano za Pro-Family Twese Hamwe, ku bijyanye n'ubuvugizi, ku bijyanye na monitoring and evaluation. Izo ni topic zikomeye cyane muri Pro-Family Twese Hamwe kuko ni nazo zatumye dushyiraho impuzamiryango Pro-Family Twese Hamwe gukora ubuvugizi. Tukifuza ko bajya bikora ku buryo kenshi gashoboka kugira ngo abantu barusheho gukora ibintu bumva kandi bitanga umusaruro.
Twagiye no mu mahugurwa ajyanye n'ibintu bya planning, ibyo bikaba byadufashije mu kazi kacu ka buri munsi. Izo ni inyandiko z'ingenzi natwe mu mahuzamiryango yacu tuba dukeneye. Ibyo rero bigenda bidufasha ku buryo natwe mu kazi kacu ka buri munsi bitwubaka.
Another thing was to strengthen and enhance coordination and representation of members.
When you speak alone, you would make a lot of noise, but when you bring more than 2 voices together, you make a point. The decision makers are going to listen to that point that more than one civil society organization is making.
This continues to be our priority focus, to have coordinated efforts so that we are able to even engage our partners in government, the development partners, and INGOs.
You have an organization as a standalone. Then you have forums of like-minded organizations delivering on a specific area. The importance is in that method, the method of working together, delivering together, and engaging for efficiency.
This year we have had members participating in these policy reforms and draft bills of the laws to influence policies in government and also at the parliamentary levels.
The platform has been involved in teenager pregnancy issues, to do some advocacy around it.
We brought together our members, discussed with various responsible institutions in government on how to work together and scale up interventions that will lead to reduction of this issue. We have also contributed to counter reporting in the implementation of SDGs. We have influenced the review process of the categorization.
We received a joint position by civil society organizations about some of the information that they collected from the citizens. And this really helped us and informed the current categories that we're undertaking. We're on the same page about the categories, and then when we went to mobilize the citizens, we worked together.
We went down to the community, we interacted with the citizens, they gave us their feelings. We are very proud that civil society played a very significant role. Together with CLADO, Rwanda Civil Society Platform presented the analysis of the budget framework paper and gave policy recommendations on what to include as priorities for 2021. Our member RENGOF submitted a partnership and advocacy paper on what should be included in environment and climate change policy. Pro-Farm Twese Hamwe contributing on the report around the implementation of Beijing Platform for Action. We have seen this year as a year of achievements, much as it was coupled with challenges.
Through partnerships, you get to learn new innovations, new skills, which leads to improving what you're doing.
We've been working with a number of partners like Rwanda Governance Board in collaboration with UNDP in the Civil Society Strengthening Program.
We are not on the same level, but through partnerships, people can be able to embrace the required systems, the required procedures, the required operations.
Hariho igihe kigera ugasanga urugero niba hari nk'uwacitse ku icumu kiba ari ikibazo rusange n'abandi baturage bafite nk'ibi byiciro by'ubudehe nacyo platform yadufashije. Ibyo ngibyo bibazo binini bikora ku banyarwanda bose, ibyo tubiharira platform tukayituma nk'ijwi ryacu tukayishyigikira ikabivuga kandi byagiye bitanga umusaruro mwiza cyane.
Kuba rero turi muri platform ingana kuriya ni imbaraga ubona mbese nk'ingufu buri rwego gukora ubuvugizi kuko hari ibintu byinshi twagiye dukorana tukabiganiraho tukabyumvikanaho ndetse haba n'ubuvugizi ukabona abantu barabyumvise.
We want to have more partnerships. We have been discussing a number of areas. For example, when we look at the citizen engagement into budgeting and planning, we want to partner to ensure that citizen participation into budgeting and planning is much greater, especially poverty reduction. We're also looking at really engaging the platform to ensure that we can use this opportunity to spread the message and fast track the graduation.
When you look at these global targets, national targets, they are very ambitious, and when you look at goal 17, is about partnerships. Partnership is very, very critical in the implementation of citizen development priorities, as well as contribute to the entire global targets and commitments.
This year it has been a bit challenging due to COVID.
Civil society has been strongly affected, especially in areas of funding. But we may also be proud that civil society have also played a significant role.
During COVID, the platform was involved in the advocacy issues around transport. And also besides the platform, its members also have been involved in other advocacy-related issues.
Igikorwa cya mbere twakoze ni ukwita ku buzima bwabo. Hari nka iriya gahunda ya guma mu rugo yaje itunguranye ku buryo hari igihe wasangaga umuntu ufite virusi itera sida wenda yari yaje i Kigali kandi yari atuye wenda nka za Nyamasheke. Yarageze igihe cyo gufata umuti, icyo twashoboye gukora batugezagaho amakuru ye tugakora ubuvugizi ku centre de santé kugira ngo ashobore kubona imiti bitamugoye.
Cyambere platform ikintu yakoze gikomeye ni uko twakoze inama zinyuranye. Navuga nka kuriya abantu bose bavuga bati dufashe aho dutuye abaturage n'ibiki. Twasabaga yuko abadutera inkunga amafaranga yagenerwa ibikorwa muri kiriya gihe bitabayeho twayajyana gufasha abagenerwa bikorwa bacu. Hari ababiyemeye hari n'abatabikunze. Navuga rero kuri izo nama twagiye dukora zaradufashaga kugira ngo tubyumve kimwe twumve kimwe icyo tugomba gukora nka societe civile.
Many of these interventions were rolled out because of COVID-19. We are trying to work with partners to ensure that we can respond to some of these challenges. For instance, having a civil society emergency fund whereby partners can inject in money, and this money should be able to respond some of the emergencies that may come up, such as COVID-19. The platform has been trying to work to deliver on its mandate. We need to develop our internal capacity to have enough skills in place. We want to see a platform becoming a significant actor in the development process of this country. We take this opportunity to thank the government of Rwanda for the operational environment, but also thanking other stakeholders who have supported the work of civil society to deliver on our mandate as we serve the citizens of Rwanda.